Welcome to my attempt to solve the Postfix, Prefix, Infix, Postfix notation practice quiz. So let me restart the timer. So I've got 10 minutes. So the first equation is plus 27 divide 3. So I'll just copy that into my text field. And so what do I need to do? I need to add 2 and 7. I get 9. And then I want to I end up with the equation 3, so it's 9 divided by 3, which is 3. And that's prefix notation. So I find an operator, I then take the next two operands, I apply that operation, put the result back into the operand, and then I have the operator, the 9 and the 3, and do the divide, and I get by 3. So the next one is, this is actually an infix notation with parentheses. Parentheses says I have to do this first, so I do the addition before I do the division. So 2 plus 13 is 15 divided by 5 plus 2. So then I do the 15 divided by 5, which is 3, plus 2, which is 5. So the parentheses tells me that I have to do this operand before I do the division. Otherwise I would do the division first, because infix operator precedent says division and multiplication occur before addition or subtraction. So the next equation is a postfix equation. So in this case, we again scan left to right, keeping track of the operands until we see an operator. So we see the plus, and then we apply it to the two operands that are closest to the plus. So that is going to be a 9. 2 plus 7 is 9, and then we have 3, and then we multiply. So 9 times 3 is 27. So the answer is 27. So again, we see the operand and we apply it to the we see the operator, we apply it to the two operands that are in next to it. Now we have another infix notation. And in this case, we do operator precedence, so we do the 15 divided by 5, so it's 2 plus 3 plus 1, which is 5 plus 1, which is 6. Again, we've got to do this division before we can do any of the addition because of operator precedence. Now we have another prefix. So we look at the operator, and we go take the next two operands and do the thing. So we're doing 15 divided by 3. So we would get the result 5, and then we have the next, push that onto the operand stack. So we have the plus 1 minus 2, and so that is 6. 6, the result of the 5 and 1 plus 1, and then the 2, and the result is 4. So we first do this operation, take the result, push it back into the operand stack, so we get 5 and 1, do that, push it into the operand stack, and then do the minus. And the last one is a postfix notation. So we scan along until we see the plus. So then we are going to do a 1, 8 minus. So we do the plus on the 3 and the 5, push that back into the operands, and then we're going to do the minus on 1 and 8. So we have a minus 7. 1 minus 8 is negative 7. And that should be the right answer. Thank you very much for your attention.